welcome back to my channel, and today's video is gonna be something different. So I'll be talking about a restaurant which is like very good. So before going into the video, subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Snapchat. I'll be leaving all the links below in the description box, so please go check it out. Now let's get into the video. So today we'll be talking about this restaurant. No, it's a cave actually. So yeah, this cave is somewhere nearby KR Puram. So if you are staying somewhere in and around KR Puram, you guys have to go and check it out. This cafe, which is like very budget friendly, very good. The food is like too good. They have only Chinese menu over there. So if you are more into Chinese, like noodles, fried rice and all, you guys have to go and check it out, because it is such an amazing cave which is very budget friendly. If you compare with other big restaurants and all, like it is very cheap, and you'll get very good food over there, and it is like too hygienic, and they make sure that they're giving you this fresh food instead of putting all the old veggies and all. They make sure they're giving you very good food, and the cave's name is 82 by 93. So yeah, if you ask me what is 82 by 82, I mean 8293, like 800 and oh my god, 800 and also 8293. So that's what it is. It is actually like, when I asked them, they said that it is actually a paint name. It is black paints ka name. So yeah, and also like the staff was like, they are like very good, and they treat you so good. They make sure they give value for the customers, and also yeah, it is such an amazing cafe. You guys have to go and visit, and yeah, everything was like too good. If you are like surrounding, you guys have to go check it out. And also they're having some discounts going on in their cafe right now. I'll put all the links below in the description box, so you guys can go check it out and just say hi to them. So yeah, hope you guys liked my video. Love you all, take care, bye bye, see you guys in the next video.